Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Claudia. Today I'm showing you how to make one of the best marinades for grilled chicken. This chicken marinade is packed with all the right flavors. Put this on your chicken and throw them onto the grill and your chicken will be bursting with delicious flavors. A big thank you to Walmart for sponsoring this video. They kindly sent me their 3-burner gas grill, so I'm going to be using this to grill the marinated chicken. This is their expert grill made for beginners. It's very easy to utilize. It uses very powerful grilling energy to make quick and delicious grilled foods. I'll talk more about the grill later in the video, but for now, let's get started with the recipe. Okay, this marinade is very simple. We're starting by adding 2 teaspoons of paprika into an empty bowl. We're also adding 1 teaspoon of cumin, half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, a 1/4 cup of sesame seed oil. This oil adds a smoky flavor to the marinade. A 1/4 cup of balsamic glaze. This stuff is so delicious on chicken. 1 diced medium onion. 12 cloves of minced garlic. And that's a lot of garlic, okay? We need all that flavor. Salt and pepper to taste. I used 3 teaspoons of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. And the last ingredient we're going to add is some beer, okay? Just go ahead and add your favorite beer. We're getting this marinade very tipsy, so add about half of the whole bottle. And the beer does amazing things to the chicken. Mix everything together very well, and that's all we need to do for the marinade. It's really simple and very delicious on grilled chicken. Alright you guys, once everything is mixed in, set the marinade aside and grab your chicken. We're going to marinate the chicken in a Ziploc bag. Today I'm using chicken quarters. You can use chicken thighs, chicken breast, whatever you're in the mood for, okay? The marinade works on any part of the chicken. And I'm using 6 large pieces of chicken quarters. I'm pouring the marinade onto the chicken. Make sure you're pouring the marinade into the bag, not on the bag, okay? I almost did that. Next, we're going to seal the Ziploc bag. Make sure you get rid of most of the air in the Ziploc bag. That way, the chicken can soak in the marinade very well. Move the chicken around. Make sure the marinade, the onions, and garlic get on every single piece of chicken. Next, we're going to marinate the chicken in the fridge for a maximum of 24 hours and a minimum of 8 hours. Okay, guys? Before you start grilling, make sure you spray the grill with cooking spray to prevent any sticking. Expert Grill also has a prep cart that makes grilling very convenient. It has plenty of prep area for cutting vegetables and trimming meat. It also has a lot of storage space. Alright you guys, the chicken has marinated for exactly 24 hours. It's probably not the best to look at right now, but don't judge. It's packed with flavor. It's going to be so delicious. I have my Expert Grill heated at 375 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's smoking hot right now. I am going to add all my chicken quarters and let the grilling begin. Place your chicken on the grill, skin side down, and grill for 8 to 10 minutes. The grill has plenty of space to grill. I can fit all 6 of my chicken quarters on here. If you're making burgers, you'll have enough room to fit up to 17 patties at once. Make sure you discard all the excess marinade. We don't need it for anything. After your chicken has grilled for 8 to 10 minutes on one side, begin to turn them over and grill them for another 8 to 10 minutes on the other side. One thing I love about this grill is it has a lot of grilling energy to cook food very fast, and the heating is very well controlled, so it's not going to burn your food. Alright, so in total, we're cooking the chicken for 20 minutes, but it can take longer. So checking with a thermometer is the best way to make sure your chicken is fully cooked. We're looking for an internal temperature of 175 to 185 Fahrenheit. So if you haven't achieved that temperature, just turn your chicken and grill them for 5 to 10 more minutes. I finally achieved the desired temperature. If you're making chicken breast, just aim for 165 Fahrenheit. Okay, guys? Chicken is done. It's looking delicious and the flavor is phenomenal. Also, I want to mention that the main grilling area of this Expert Grill is equipped with heavy-duty cast iron grid that holds heat very well and cleanup is very easy. The chicken came out really good, packed with amazing flavor from the marinade. It's very nice and crispy on the outside, and the inside is really juicy. A big thank you to Walmart and Expert Girl for partnering with me, and thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for all the ingredients and measurements. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Christopher, be careful.